In this shoe custom episode, we have Scooby Snacks. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando. In this project, we have a shoe designed by Kenneth Customs. The design, Scooby Doo. The shoe, a Nike SB Dunk. This is a custom design shoe by Kenneth Customs. Handmade, recreated, stitched all the way through, but take a look at this shoe. You got the Scooby color, the Scooby hair, the Scooby dots. You even have that turquoise blue for the collar on the inside of the shoe. And you have a little hint on the outside as well. But all angles of this, well, we don't have a lot of angles, but you can just tell right off the bat. You have the fur material, you have the looks like a suede material. Just by looking at these shoes, this is an awesome concept. We have a quick little video. Look at those. This is still in creation, but the inside, look at that tongue. On the tongue, you got the blue collar, the turquoise collar, and then the rest of the shoe. So hands down, Kenneth Customs created a custom Nike SB Scooby Doo shoe. Can't get any better than that. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.